how to create email templates with Mailchimp and Canva. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create email templates with Mailchimp and Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Canva and then you're going to click and create a design over here. Now if you wish to use any built-in template, you can just click on template and search for a specific template that you want to use. Now, or you can also start from scratch and just use your own text styling and pictures and everything. So I'm just going to type an email because I wish to use an email template. Now you can just choose it according to your own choice. So I'm just going to use this one over here, that is the vintage collection. So I'm just going to click on this one, and then you can just click on customize this template because you can just change it around according to your own choice however you want. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see that you have been redirected to the Canva edit section, and you can just change around this template according to your own choice. For example, if you wish to change the name of it, you can just click on it, and if you wish to change any content, any pictures or anything, just simply click on it. Like you can see this one was capital, so I've just made it small. But if you really want to change the text, you can just backspace that, remove that, and type something of your own. So you can see that I've typed this. Now similarly, if you want to change the text, if you want to change the colors, you can change the font, everything using this over here. And if you wish to upload any picture of your own, you can just upload the picture over here and then search that, and after that just click on just type a keyword down that would recognize that picture. Or you can also click on elements, but note that you wouldn't want any copyrighted stuff. So once you do so, you can just click on share over here, and then you can click on download and just click on download, and this particular template will be downloaded on your computer. So once you have downloaded it, you'll be able to see the download process has begun, and then just head over to your Mailchimp. Now over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you're going to do is click on create over here. And then what you're going to do is over here, just click on regular. If you want a regular email, you can want, if you want plain text. So if you want regular email, just click on regular email and just click on design email. And once you do so, you'll be asked how you want to design your email. Now you can either start from scratch or use basic layout or any full template. And here you're gonna select like what the name should be. So you can type down name your email, so however you want. You can even write your brand's name over here, and then you're gonna select your subscribers, like to who you want this email to be sent to. And then you have from, and after that you can edit subject, like what subject you want it to be. Then you gotta set time, that whether you want it to be sent right now or you want to schedule the time. And after that, if you wish to edit, you can just click on edit. Now here you can just select any of the templates, so you can use any of these. You can see that these are upgraded. That means you need to upgrade your Mailchimp in order to have an access to these templates. If you wish to start from scratch, you can just click on start from scratch, and after that you'll be redirected to an interface where you can start from scratch and add your contacts. Now since I have already made a kind of template on Canva and downloaded that on my computer, so what I'm gonna do is just come over here. Now if you wish to create a logo, you can create one by using AI, or just if you already have a logo on your computer, you can just add that over here. Now you can see that there are different contents, so you're going to drag and drop. For example, I want to add image, so I'm going to click on add image, and then over here you'll be able to see images if you do have, but just click on upload and you'll be redirected to an interface like this where you can select your image from your computer. Now you can see that I have added this image. Now you can see the different sections of the email. The top one is the logo, so I want the top one part of this template to be within the logo. So you can just crop the picture according to your own choice and add them at different sections of the email by, you can just click a duplicate block so that the image is replicated for you to crop. And over here you can see that you can position as well as scale the image according to your own choice. Now if you want to crop it or you want to add another logo, you can just click over here and you can fit it or scale it. For example, I'm gonna click it here, and then just not duplicate it over here. We're just gonna add another logo over here. So let us just click on logo, and here it says that you can drop over here. So let me just add a logo. So I think if we have an extra block like over here, so I'm just going to delete the extra block. You can delete the extra blocks so that you don't have any extra stuff. So you can just click on logo, and after that, instead of logo, you can just add image over here. So you can just add any image. You can add the same image that you have added over here. If you wish to crop the logo part of the template, so you can just add this image and then you can just crop it. So in order to crop it, what you're going to do is click on edit over here, and then you can just crop the top section in order to make it a logo, because it looks like a logo. So you're just going to crop it. For example, just resize it and scale it. Now if I want this particular part to be at the top, so instead of only logo, I've also added description. So I'm just going to remove this block over here, and then you're going to edit this image and crop the other section. So I'm just going to crop the other section, like somewhere like free shipping one. So just crop it like this. You can check the scales. You can also check any square or rectangle you want, or you can do it custom. Now for the last one, you can just crop it as well and just let it have the last section of the template. So you can just kind of this much. Okay, once done, you can just click on save, and now you can see that there is a proper email template like this, and now it looks good. Now this is kind of email template that you were wanting. You can change everything you want over here, such as you want to add your own headline or your own footer, whatever you want, you can just do that over here. Now you can see that this is a referral badge which cannot be removed, but you can change the badge style. You can only remove the badge if you run a business and you have a premium plan of Mailchimp. Now here you can add other stuff such as border or divider. So what it will basically do is that it will separate your header from your footer, and header from your body, and body from your footer. So you can just resize that, and there are different styles of dividers that you can use. And then you can see there is body selection, so you can just kind of change the scale. You can change the alignment you want. Now if you want it to big, or we'll just make it aligned with the rest like this. Okay, so you can change the alignment. If you want it to be left, you can want it to be center, right, whatever you want. You can also add any link that whenever someone clicks on this email, clicks on this particular image, they'll be sent to another email. Once done, you can just click on save and exit, and here you can see that the subject is very important. So you're going to type down the subject that will go with your brand. So just type down anything. For example, I'm going to write down clothing brand, and just write down any preview text as well. So once done, you can just click on send, and send this email or this landing page or this template to the subscribers that you have added. So after that, it would say that the email is sending, and after a while the email would be sent to your registered emails. So that was basically how you can create an email template with Mailchimp and Canva. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.